Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchpad not responding to taps on your Ray-Ban META Wayfarer. So first, what you guys want to do, let me quickly take the glasses out of the case. And what are we going to do is, firstly, we're starting off with cleaning the unresponsive touchpad. So the touchpad is on the right side right here. Now, if it's not working for you, as you guys can see, I'm not even wearing them and it's changing my volume, so I know that it works. But if it's not working for you, then you can always grab a microfiber cloth, get it on your 1 or 2 fingers like this, and now just swipe it like this. Now we want to make sure that we really get into this, so I'm swiping it like this, and we want to make sure that there's nothing on it, so like no stains, no nothing. Make sure that it is clean. Let me quickly show it in the light. As you guys can see, there is nothing compared to this one where you can see like the fingerprints. Here we got nothing. Now what we want to do is we want to simply make sure that we use the correct technique, and the correct technique is just swiping from the back lightly to swiping it down. And it's not working now because I'm not wearing them, so it's really random. Now they are working, and I'm swiping from the logo down and from here up, and it works just fine, as you guys can see. Of course, if you got some music, you can just tap once and play it and etc. You can stop it, you can skip it. Everything works just fine. And that's how you guys can do that. All you have to do is make sure that it's really clean and make sure that you use the correct technique. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.